Hello students, welcome back to the e-learning session. I hope during this pandemic as well you all are learning fine at your homes. If there is any doubt, as I have discussed earlier, do post a message so that I can reach up to you and solve your doubts. Okay, now let us move on ahead in the lesson. Adaptation of animals living in tropical rainforest is the today's topic. ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट में रहने वाले जो जो एनिमल्स है उनमें एक खासियत होती है, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, दे हैव टू हैंडल इंटेंस कंपटीशन. मीन्स अगर एक पेड़ के ऊपर कोई फ्रूट है, सो देयर विल बी एटलीस्ट 10-20 एनिमल्स विच विल बी आइंग फॉर दैट फ्रूट कि कब मैं वहां पर जाऊं और कब वो फ्रूट को ईट करूं. दैट क्रिएट्स अ सेंस ऑफ कंपटीशन. एंड टू हैंडल or to survive in such extreme conditions, the animals need to have some adaptations inside them. For example, camouflage करना. Camouflage is what you know. सूखी घास में अगर lion और tiger छिप जाता है, lion and basically lion, okay, so lion if tries to hide himself or herself in the dry grass, so the color of the dry grass and the color of the hairy mane of the lion as well as color of its body slightly matches, blends, and due to that it camouflages and it is not visible by its prey. जिसकी शिकार करने वाला है वो लायन, उसके प्रे को वो दिखता ही नहीं है. So it camouflages, and as it camouflages with that, it also gets increased chance of, it also holds a increased chance of getting more food. खाना ज़्यादा मिलेगा, right? Chances of food are now increased. Plus it also needs to have a sharp eyesight. यहाँ से ही देख के समझ में आना चाहिए कि वहाँ पर कितने साइज का एनिमल है. कैन आई टेक इट डाउन? सो दैट sharp eyesight needs to be there for an animals living in ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट. प्लांट्स बहुत सारे हैं यहाँ पर, बुशेस बहुत सारे होंगे, ठीक है, जहाँ पर एनिमल्स छुप सकते हैं. इंटेंस कंपटीशन. देन दे नीड टू हैव शार्प सेंस ऑफ हियरिंग एज वेल. हियरिंग का सेंस बहुत शार्प होना चाहिए. व्हाई हियरिंग का सेंस हमको शार्प चाहिए? बिकॉज द सेंस ऑफ हियरिंग, इफ द सेंस ऑफ हियरिंग इज शार्प, then we can hear even the smallest movement done by animals, right? So that is why the animals living in a tropical rainforest are showing some adaptations. अब उस दिन हमने रेड आइड फ्रॉग के बारे में डिस्कस किया था in the last class, that how the red eyed frog is having its sticky pads to attach himself on the trees and climb up and can stay there as well, right? Can camouflage with the color of the leaves as well. ये डिस्कस हमने किया था. Now today next example is of toucan, a bird. See, there are some animals or some type of species in the forest which are not in a tropical rainforest, which are not having the ability to reach towards food. जैसे कि कोई छोटी पतली ब्रांच है, ठीक है, if there is very weak stem or weak branch of a particular plant which holds fruit, and normally a bird, if its weight is too much, so the branch will shatter or it will shake and it will not be able to eat the fruit properly. But there is a adaptation, so to reach food easily there is adaptation shown by animal. जैसे कि हमारा एनिमल है toucan. How it adapts? How the toucan adapts? The toucan adapts by simply having a large beak. What toucan has? What kind of adaptation it has? Large beak. थोड़ी large beak है, so it can grasp the fruit easily from a different stem. एक hard stem पे खड़ा रह के ही दूर से ही fruit को catch कर सकता है because the beak is large. पतली बीक होती तो पूरा फ्रूट का वेट कैच भी नहीं कर पाता, बट द बीक इज लार्ज, सो इट कैन टेक द फ्रूट फ्रॉम अ light weighted stem as well. So this is adaptation shown by toucan, because it is not possible for him to sit on the branches of the fruit because it is heavy weight. So due to heavy weight, branches might shatter or scatter. Okay, so that is why it is showing this type of adaptation. So this word is a toucan. Helped. Now next, there is an animal called as lion-tailed macaque. There is an animal called as lion-tailed macaque. Macaque means nothing but a species of monkey. Okay, and how it is showing adaptation then? कैसे adaptation show करेगा lion-tailed macaque? How it will show adaptation? It shows adaptation by staying on the trees only. It doesn't come on ground. Why it doesn't come on ground? Because it has an ability to feed on whatever is available on the ground. जो कुछ ग्राउंड पे अवेलेबल है वो फीड करने की टेंडेंसी है लायन टेल मकैक की, एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट रियरली कम्स ऑन ग्राउंड. अब पहचाने कैसे, और इसको लायन टेल्ड मकैक क्यों बोला है? क्यों? बिकॉज it has, it has outstanding feature called as its silver mane. Silver mane, the hairs present around the neck, which are in the cheek region as well, the hairs are there just like a lion, right? So that's why it's named lion tailed macaque. Tail wala macaque. Lion क्यों बोला है? Because just like lion there is a silver mane which is in the head. Only this facial region is left as it is, otherwise only hairs are there all over the neck region and in the head region. So silver mane is there, and as I told you, it rarely comes down on the ground. Why it rarely comes down on the ground? Because it has its food available properly. Its food availability is proper. Okay, it has its food available in the, just like in the trees. Sometimes what it does, it tears inside the stem of the tree and eats insects. It can eat insects as well. It is showing an omnivorous type of mode, because it can eat small insects, it can feed on the small seeds, it can sometimes feed on the leaves as well, it can sometimes feed on the fruits of the trees. So it has adapted living on the trees in the tropical regions, okay, where the temperature is good, there is a lot of plentiful of rainfall. Okay, the moisture level is also not that bad. ठीक है, एकदम ही dry environment है ऐसा नहीं है, it is good environment, suitable environment. Okay, so lion-tailed macaque shows adaptations in this way. Now there is another well-known example of Indian tropical rainforest, that is the elephant, Indian elephant. Okay, so simply we will write here what adaptation elephant has. ये तो बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट में अडॉप्ट कर लिया है. वन ऑफ द गुड एडेप्टेशन, गुड साइड ऑफ द ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट इज दैट सम एनिमल्स आर इंक्रीजिंग द डाइवर्सिटी ऑफ दैट रेन फॉरेस्ट, और उसमें से एक है ट्रॉपिक जो एलिफेंट है, बिकॉज एलिफेंट हैज व्हाट इट हैज इट्स ट्रंक which is nothing but modified nose. Trunk is nothing but modified nose, and the main function of the trunk is basically being a nose. The trunk is also responsible for smell, okay, as well as for picking up the barks of a stem or pulling the trees by the help of its trunk. It can even pull out the trees, and it can break the bark of the stem as well to find out in search of food as well. Okay, so now the tusk. What are the tusks? What are the tusks? ये तो ट्रंक हो गया. टस्क क्या है? The modified teeth. जो आप देखते हो बड़े बड़े दांत रहते हैं दो, ठीक है, टस्क, these tusks are also very important. The elephant loves to play with the trees with the help of its tusk. Okay, the trees that an elephant loves to feed upon, the leaves that an elephant loves to feed upon, what it does by the help of its tusk is it tears the trees. Okay, it tears the whole plant and it tries to eat some of it. Okay, so the tusk is being used here now. Okay, now it has large ears as well, if you have observed. Okay, due to large ear, the amount of sound rays falling on the surface is more, so it can even detect the smallest movement in the tropical rainforest. Alright, so in this way, the elephant is adapted. It is one of the remarkable animal, it is one of the most important animal that has shown adaptation in tropical rainforest. And such a type of variety is there in the tropical rainforest just because the environment is suitable for the growth. Okay, so this is about the point adaptation in the tropical rainforest. In this way we have concluded here this unit. In this unit we discussed about climate, we discussed about weather, we discussed difference of them. Okay, then what is adaptation we discussed, then we discussed about polar region, some animals which are showing adaptations in polar region like polar bear, penguin, etc. And now we discuss some animals which are showing adaptations in tropical rainforest. And here we conclude the lesson number 7, that is weather, climate and adaptations of animals. Okay, so thank you all of you, take care.